Now, just now we have seen how to trace the diagrams and all the things. Now, after tracing the diagrams, we come to the one conclusion that we need to be find out some solutions to calculate the focal length, to calculate the image distance, and to calculate the object distance of the lenses. And there is the solution. What? Lens formula. What the lens formula? 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, where f is the focal length, v is the image distance from the lens, u is the object distance from the lens. Sign convention is as it is, as we have seen earlier. Clear? You just go and watch that video, automatically you will get what exactly the sign convention. Above the principal axis is positive, below the principal axis is negative, left from the lens is what negative, right from the lens is what positive. All these things are the sign conventions are same. Clear? So the formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now, related to that, magnification definition is same. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. So then m is equals to h dash by h. H dash is what? Height of image. H is what? Height of object. V is what? In terms of v and u. V is the image distance or object distance? Image distance. U is what? Object distance. So m is equals to h dash by h is equals to v by u. Now remember, if m is greater than 1, image is magnified. M equal to 1, image is same size. M is less than 1, image is what? Diminished. So this has to be remembered just to identify and to get the clear idea about when you come to the conclusion of the question. Clear? Now related to that lens formula, we saw all these things, the sign conventions and everything. Now there is one concept that is called the power of lens. What the power of lens, sir? The power of lens is what? The reciprocal of focal length is called the power of lens. What the power of lens? Reciprocal of focal length called as the power of lens. Reciprocal means what? 1 by something. 1 divided by something is called the reciprocal, which is written here. P is equals to 1 by P is denoted by power of lens. So P is equals to 1 by F, and SI unit of power is what? Diopter. What is the SI unit of the power? Is the diopter. And always remember that what is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is equals to 1 meter inverse. 1 meter inverse is called as the 1 diameter, which means that if the values are given in centimeter, then if the SI unit of the power is what? Diopter, and diopter is what? Meter, then you need to convert centimeter into meter. Clear? So this is what it is to be called as the power of lens. So reciprocal of focal length is called as the power of lens. Now this power of, because we have two type of lenses, one is called the concave and another one is called the convex lens. If the power of, what is the power of convex lens? Power of convex lens is what? Always positive. Why it is positive? Because its focus is positive. Its focal length is positive. And power of concave lens is what? Negative. Why? Its focal length is what? Negative. So that is the reason power of concave lens is what? Negative, and power of convex lens is what? Positive. तभी अगर कोई कहता है आपको कि मेरा जो पावर है वो पावर कितना अगर नेगेटिव है, इसका मतलब उसको कौन सा लेंस लगने वाला है, डॉक्टर कौन सा लेंस उसको प्रेफर करेगा? कॉन्केव लेंस प्रेफर करेगा. अगर किसी को पॉजिटिव है तो उसको कौन सा लेंस प्रेफर करेगा? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस प्रेफर करेगा. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल आइडिया अबाउट इट. Now we will talk exactly thing for what actually we were learning all this concept, that is the numericals on this lens formula. Let us go through this question. A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. Focal length is given or not? At what distance should the object? At what distance means what? Object from the lens be placed. We wanted to calculate the U so that it forms an image at a 10 centimeter. Image distance is given. We wanted to calculate the distance of the object from the lens. Also find magnification produced by the lens. For what we are getting now, we are very much familiar to do such type of examples, है ना? तो लिखो क्या given. तो क्या लिखेंगे? Focal length कितना है इसका? F is equals to which lens is better? Concave. Concave has a focal negative. So F is equals to minus 15 centimeter. Clear? Now object distance is always used to be tell U is equals to what? Minus, how much is the given? 10 centimeter. Minus 10 centimeter. And from the lens also find the magnification. Now what we wanted to calculate? That we wanted to calculate, actually V is given, not U. V is given. We wanted to calculate U as well as what? Beta M. Okay, so this is the given formula. 1 by u is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by f. Clear? So 1 by u is equals to, what is the v beta? Minus 10. This is what? Minus 1 by f is what? Minus 15. So this minus minus becomes plus. 1 by u is equals to, I am just making conversion of that. 3 minus 3 by 30 and plus 2 by 30. Just I have denominator made common. So then 1 by u is equals to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 30, which means that u is equals to what? Minus 30 centimeter. So where should we keep the object? At a distance of 30 centimeter from which lens? Concave lens, so that the image will form at a distance of minus 10. Now the next questions, in the same question they have asked us, that is the magnification. Magnification is what? V by u. So m is equals to v is how much? Minus 10 and u is equals to how much? Minus 30. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 will get there. M is equals to what? 1 by 3. M is equals to what? 1 by 3. This is what the solution of these questions. Any problem? It's very good. Now this is how, this is the way to solve the problems. Okay. Now we will try to understand the next one, that is a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. Let us do this example. How to do this? See, sometimes sign conventions are very important. So you should remember always that whenever you are taking the sign conventions, needs to be focused on that. Okay, beta? A 2 centimeter tall object, which means that height of the object is given perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Lens is mentioned convex. Focal length is how much? 10 centimeter. It is a convex and focal length of the convex is what? Minus. Clear? Then the distance. Sorry, convex lens is plus. The distance of the object from the lens is what? 15 centimeter. Object distance. And let us see. First of all, write it down the given. Clear? What are the things were given? A 2 centimeter tall object. That h is given plus 2 centimeter because the distance above the principal axis is plus. Now convex lens of focal length f is equals to what? Plus 10 centimeter because right to the mirror lens. The distance of the object u is mentioned. How much better? u is कितना दिया है? Minus 15 centimeter है ना? तो हमें क्या निकालना है? Obviously v has to be calculated as well as position, size of the image. उसका मतलब h dash निकालना है. Clear? And magnification निकालना है. और क्या निकालेंगे इसका? Clear? Let us do this example. How to solve this? So formula first of all, अगर v निकालना है तो 1 by v is equals to what? क्या आएगा formula? 1 by f minus 1 by u. Clear? 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Sorry, minus 1 by u. हमें निकालना क्या है? v. So what should we know? u will be to that side. So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Clear? Substitute the values. 1 by v is equals to f value is how much? Plus 10. 10. U value is what? Minus 15. Clear? Convert these values. 30, that is what? 1 by v is equals to 3 divided by 30 and this is what? Minus 2 divided by 30. So v is equals to how much now? 1 by 30. So that is equals to what? 30 centimeter. So where is the object placed? Object is placed at a distance of what? 30 centimeter. Clear beta? So this is what one thing. Now the second thing we wanted to be calculated, that is what? The height of the object. How to calculate? Because we know very well h dash divided by h is equals to v divided by u. So from that h dash is equals to v into h divided by u. So then h dash is equals to v is equals to how much? Calculated 30 plus 30. Clear? And h is equals to how much? This is what? The 2 centimeter. And u is equals to how much? That is what? The minus 15 centimeter. Clear? So how much this is? 13 2s are 60. 15 that is what? H dash is equals to minus 16 divided by 15. 15 4s are 60. Therefore h dash is equals to 4 centimeter. क्लियर, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर था, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर है, मतलब साइज ऑफ इमेज क्या हुई, बड़ी हो गई, और ऑब्वियसली साइन इज व्हाट, माइनस, विच इज व्हाट, ऑब्वियसली रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड एंड एनलार्ज्ड. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज व्हाट, मैग्निफिकेशन. तो मैग्निफिकेशन कैसे निकाले, m इज इक्वल टू v बाई u. v कितना है बेटा, v इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 30 प्लस 30, एंड u कितना है, दैट इज व्हाट, माइनस 15. So then 15 to the 30. So m is equals to what? Minus 2. Clear? So these are the examples are there which are very very simple, but we need to do the lot of practices related to that. Clear?